Welcome to Dreams of Dollars. If you've got just $100, you're already ahead of millions who haven't started yet. And today I'll show you exactly how to invest, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Why are you investing? Before you put in a single dollar, ask yourself, what do you want? Is it long-term growth, saving for a home, or maybe building passive income? When you know your goal, you'll know your path. It's like setting your GPS before starting the journey. Step 2. Use the right app. No need to go big or complicated. Just use an app that's beginner-friendly. If you're in the US, try Robinhood, Public, or Fidelity. In the UK or Europe, go for eToro or Revolut. These apps let you start with just a few dollars. No high fees, no confusion. Just clean and simple. Step 3. Invest in safe things first. Here's where many people mess up. They chase hype, go after meme coins, and lose it all. Don't be that person. Start with ETFs, safe bundles of top companies. Like the S&P 500 ETF, this gives you a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in the US. It's like owning a little bit of Apple, Google, Amazon, all at once. Or try Dividend ETFs. They actually pay you every few months. Slow money, but steady money. Step 4. Don't invest all at once. Got $100? Cool. Don't drop it all in one go. Instead, use something called dollar cost averaging. Just invest $20 or $25 each week or month. This spreads your risk and helps you build a habit. It's simple, it's smart, and it works. Step 5. Avoid beginner traps. Here's what not to do. Don't buy random TikTok stocks. Don't panic when your money dips. Don't invest borrowed money, and please, don't expect to get rich overnight. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's wrap it up. You started with just $100, but you've also started your journey to freedom. The key? Start small, stay consistent, keep learning. Thanks for watching. This is Dreams of Dollars, where your money grows while you sleep. Hit like, subscribe, and let's build your future together.